Yes, but you can shine wherever you are. Yes, institution is always a fact. But if you have
Yeah.
a willpower and fire in your heart that I'm going to do something great, you can do it from wherever you are. So, hello everyone, I hope that all of you are having a great time and doing really very well. So today, as you can see, I am in in Shah Jalal Science and Technology University. Is it correct?
Yeah.
So actually, I have with my best friend, Mr. Arnab. We have been together when he was in Brahmanbaria for last 2 years back. He was in there, and we shared our rooms together, shared our bed together. So right now, actually, we are living in different districts. Like I'm a student of National University, but this man had got a chance to be in this university. So I'll be just knowing something special. Like what is the difference between National University and a public university? So Arnab, how are you?
Yeah, I'm great. How about you?
Yes, I'm doing really very well. So I know that you have experienced the two things.
Yeah.
Yes, you got some lessons from national universities, and then actually you came to here after having the chance. So, what are the differences that you can see, or what is the importance of public life, public university life?
Yeah. Actually, between national university and public university is a huge difference, and I can say that the environment is the main difference of this university.
Yes.
And if I focus on public university, then we can notice that we have to go discipline, and we have to join the class every day, and we have to also connect with teacher
Yes, yes.
uh, uh, fully, and they also interact with us. And the another things that we have many different kinds of people who come from different area. That's
Yeah.
why we can also gather knowledge from the different culture, and we also speed our experience in
Many sectors.
different people.
Oh my God.
And another things I can say that the teaching of OA is very much effective and creative, and the teachers are very much creative, and they also teaches us in different way, which is not available in national university.
Oh my
And I
God.
can notice that whenever I studied in national university, then I also just got admitted in the university, and I don't have to join the class. But in public university, I have to join the class in every day, and every day, if you notice that whenever you join the class every day, then you can learn something. Whatever, it doesn't matter how much learning, but you have to you have learned something, and you have to go discipline. That's why it's very much effective for our student life.
I got
Because
the
of
point.
that, discipline is a way of reaching something or gaining something. That's why I can say that public university is more better than national university.
Yes, yes. So okay, everyone. Goodbye. See you soon.